The Motorola Moto X30 Pro, known globally as Edge 30 Ultra, is Motorola's 2022 flagship offering released August 11th, 2022. Key specifications: display, 6.7 FHD plus OLED, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, peak brightness up to 1250 nits. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4 nanometers, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. Memory storage, holds 8 GB RAM, 128 GB, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 3.1 storage, no microSD slot. Cameras, rear triple, 200 MP main, FE2, 0 OIS, 50 MP ultrawide, 12 MP telephoto, 2 powers optical zoom, selfie, 60 MP front camera, video, up to 8K/30 FPS recording, battery charging, 4,610 mAh, 125 watt wired, advertised 0-50 in 7 minutes, 0-119 minutes, 50 watt wireless Qi charging. Build, ships with Android 12, MyUI 4.0. Motorola promises approximately 3 years of major updates. Premium build, Gorilla Glass, 5 front/back, IP dust splash resistance. Other features: stereo speakers, under-display fingerprint, NFC, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C, lacks 3.5 mm jack, Snapdragon sound support. Pros, cons. Pros: one of the first phones with a 200 MP sensor featuring OIS. Industry-leading charging speeds with 125 watt wired plus high-power wireless. Smooth display experience. 144 Hz OLED with HDR support. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 delivers flagship-grade performance. Clean MyUI experience with long-term software support. Cons: no microSD slot, so storage can't be expanded. Missing headphone jack might deter some audiophiles. The Chinese variant may lack some global LTE/5G bands or Google services pre-installed. Battery is moderately sized. Heavy users may still need daily top-ups. User experience insights from Reddit. Availability pricing in Pakistan. Estimated price in Pakistan, PKR 120,000, 135,000, USD 560-620, depending on variant. Not officially launched, imports, Chinese version, are the primary route currently. The Moto X30 Pro is a powerful flagship with groundbreaking photography and charging capabilities. Ideal for tech enthusiasts who want cutting-edge specs.